I'm here in the studio today to talk to you about the Katie Jane range of fabrics and the stunning quilt that has been made for them by Lynne Goldsworthy using this range. I was fortunate enough to be given the offcuts, so I get to play with those too, but you should download the free pattern and wander into your quilt shop to pick up this range, which is available in the quilt shops now. The pattern comprises two simple blocks. One is in modern Dresden Plate variation and the other is the cornerstones, and I'm going to talk you through both of those. And I just want to talk you through just a last minute bit about the quilting that Lynne's done on here, mainly because this a very traditional Dresden Plate is an applique piece. This is this, and these are the strip piece, but she has actually gone absolutely straight across the quilt with this parallel line and the grid system. It's very pleasing to the eye. It's really easy to do on your own sewing machine with the walking foot.